In this video, we'll guide you through the process of adding a device to your account using the SIL Master module. This functionality allows you to incorporate various devices into any project that utilizes SIL Master, streamlining your project management and efficiency. Let's begin. First, navigate to the SIL Master option located on the left-hand side of your screen. Once you've clicked on SIL Master, you see Devices and Subsystems. Today, we will proceed with adding a device. When you click on Devices, you will be directed to the Devices page where you can initiate the process of adding a new device. Upon reaching the Add Device page, start by giving your device a name. For instance, ball valve. Next, specify the manufacturer and provide a brief description to help users understand the device's purpose and functionality. To facilitate easy identification, you have the option to upload a picture of the device. This visual aid ensures users can quickly recognize the device when selecting it for their projects. In the reference field, document the source of the functional safety information for the device. This crucial information is later incorporated into the SIL Master module's reports, aiding in comprehensive documentation and compliance tracking. By default, the device status is set to published, making it visible to all users for selection in projects. If you wish to restrict visibility temporarily or permanently, you can opt for the unpublished status. Next, input the typical functional safety data, which is often derived from certificates or safety manuals. For this demonstration, we'll use the Given Failure Rates option, which you can use when the failure rates of the device are available. Since we are adding a ball valve, all failure rates are set to 0 except for the DU failure rate, which we'll set at 100 fit. After inputting all necessary information, click Save to finalize the addition. This action will return you to the device listing page where the newly added device now appears. Selecting the device allows you to review all entered details and edit them as needed. Here you see an overview of the data we just entered. Here is information about the device, and here is information about the functional safety parameters of the device. Most importantly, the functional safety information you've provided is utilized by the tool to determine the SIL level achievable by the device. For our ball valve, it achieves a SIL 1 rating under the 2010 version of IEC 61508 but does not comply with the 2016 version of IEC 61511. The rules of the standards are built into the tool. Thank you for following along with this tutorial. Your ability to add and manage devices effectively is crucial for leveraging the full capabilities of the SIL Master module.